Hello and welcome to Financial Literacy, your go-to YouTube channel for all things related to personal finance and wealth creation. Today we're going to talk about the 15 habits that make you smarter every day. So if you're interested in boosting your brain power and increasing your knowledge, then this video is for you. 1. Reading. Reading is one of the best habits you can cultivate to improve your intelligence. Whether it's fiction or non-fiction, books expose you to new ideas, concepts, and perspectives. They also help improve your vocabulary and comprehension skills. You can read a book on any topic that interests you, and the more you read, the more knowledgeable and informed you'll become. 2. Listening to podcasts. Podcasts are a fantastic way to learn something new while you're on the go. You can listen to podcasts while you're commuting to work, exercising, or doing household chores. There are podcasts on every topic under the sun, from business and finance to health and wellness. You can even find podcasts that specialize in niche topics that you may be interested in. 3. Watching documentaries. Documentaries are a great way to learn about different topics in depth. They're often visually engaging and offer a unique perspective on various subjects. You can find documentaries on everything from history and science to travel and culture. Watching documentaries can help you become more informed and knowledgeable about the world around you. 4. Playing brain games. Brain games like Sudoku, crossword puzzles, and chess can help improve your cognitive function, memory, and problem-solving skills. These games challenge your brain and force you to think critically. They also help improve your concentration and focus, which can be beneficial in all areas of your life. 5. Learning a new language. Learning a new language can be a challenging but rewarding experience. It not only improves your memory, cognitive function, and problem-solving skills, but it also opens up new opportunities for travel and cultural experiences. Learning a new language can also improve your communication skills, which is essential in both personal and professional settings. 6. Exercising. Exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory, as well as reduce stress and anxiety. Regular exercise helps increase blood flow to the brain, which can improve cognitive function. Exercise also stimulates the production of new brain cells, which can improve memory and learning. 7. Meditating. Meditation is a great way to reduce stress and anxiety and improve focus and attention. It can also improve memory and cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and reducing the production of stress hormones. Meditation is a simple but powerful habit that can have a positive impact on your life. 8. Keeping a journal. Writing in a journal can help improve your memory and critical thinking skills, as well as reduce stress and anxiety. Journaling can also help you identify patterns in your behavior and thought processes, which can help you make positive changes in your life. Keeping a journal is a habit that can help you become more self-aware and reflective. 9. Watching educational YouTube videos. YouTube is a great source of educational content on a wide range of topics. You can find videos on everything from science and history to personal finance and cooking. Watching educational YouTube videos can help you learn new things and broaden your knowledge base. 10. Taking online courses. Online courses are a great way to learn new skills and increase your knowledge. There are many platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare that offer courses on a wide range of topics. Taking online courses can help you acquire new skills and knowledge that can be useful in your personal and professional life. 11. Networking. Networking involves building and maintaining relationships with other professionals in your field or industry. It can help you learn about job opportunities, gain valuable insights into your industry, and build your personal brand. Networking can also help you stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in your field, which can help you become a more knowledgeable and informed professional. To network effectively, it's important to be proactive and intentional about building relationships. Attend industry conferences and events, join professional organizations, and connect with people on social media platforms like LinkedIn. When you meet someone new, take the time to get to know them and learn about their background and interests. Ask thoughtful questions and be genuinely interested in what they have to say. Networking isn't just about building relationships with people who are in positions of power or influence. It's also about building relationships with your peers and colleagues. By connecting with other professionals who are at a similar stage in their careers, you can share knowledge and resources, and provide each other with support and encouragement. Networking can be intimidating, especially if you're shy or introverted. But remember that networking is a skill that can be developed with practice. Start small by reaching out to people you know, and gradually expand your network over time. The more you practice networking, the more comfortable and confident you will become. 12. Traveling. Traveling can broaden your horizons and expose you to new cultures, ideas, and ways of thinking. It can also help you develop problem-solving and critical thinking skills as you navigate unfamiliar environments and situations. Traveling can also help you gain a better understanding of global issues and how they impact different communities around the world. 13. Engaging in debate and discussion. Engaging in debate and discussion with others can help you develop your critical thinking and communication skills. It can also expose you to different viewpoints and perspectives, which can help you broaden your understanding of complex issues. Debating and discussing ideas can help you refine your arguments and learn how to present your ideas effectively. 14. Practicing active listening. Active listening involves paying close attention to what others are saying and responding in a thoughtful and empathetic way. Practicing active listening can help you improve your communication skills, as well as develop empathy and understanding for others. It can also help you learn new things from others and gain a different perspective on a topic. 15. Setting goals and tracking progress. Setting goals and tracking your progress can help you stay focused and motivated in your personal and professional life. It can also help you develop problem-solving and critical thinking skills as you work towards achieving your goals. Tracking your progress can also help you identify areas where you need to improve and make adjustments to your approach. These are just a few of the many habits that can help make you smarter every day. By cultivating these habits, you can expand your knowledge, improve your cognitive function, and become a more well-rounded and informed individual. So why not start incorporating these habits into your daily routine today? And if you want to learn more about personal finance and how to improve your financial literacy, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Financial Literacy. We provide educational content on a wide range of topics related to personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Don't miss out on the opportunity to improve your financial knowledge and take control of your financial future.